To connect your Sony WF-C510 with the iPhone, first you'll need to grab a case, open it, then look on the back, and there's a button right here. It's this circle. You need to press on it and hold it while looking on the front of the case. And then there should be a blue light flashing just like that, and we can move to our settings for the Bluetooth on the iPhone. Then in other devices you'll find your WF-C510. When you click on it, it will connect with your iPhone. Next step is optional. You can download a Sound Connect app from the App Store, which allows you to customize the settings for your earbuds as well. So with iPhone, as always, there's problems, and in this case I can't read the privacy policy. I love iPhones, so if you don't have this problem, then you can try to use this app to actually change the settings for your earbuds, but as you can see, I cannot, and it's epic.